upon a time there lived a great queen called Queen Tense. The ruled of entire the universe.
I am Quintence. I rule the entire world. I have three daughters. Elder one Miss Past Tense, middle one Miss Present Tense, and younger one Miss Future Tense. Now I would like to introduce my elder daughter Miss Past Tense.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am the past, the elder daughter of Miss Quintance. I have four daughters. My first daughter is simple past. My second daughter is past continuous. My third daughter is simple perfect, past perfect. My fourth daughter is past perfect continuous tense. Now I would like to invite my first daughter simple past.
Good afternoon everyone. I am the simple past. People used to me tell that past completed actions. For example, I did my work. My mother cooked delicious food. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite my second daughter past continuous.
Good afternoon everyone. I am the second daughter of past tense. We are the past continuous tense to talk about such action in a particular time in the past. Example, I was watching TV when she called.
Now I would like to invite my third daughter simple past perfect.
Good afternoon everyone. I am the third daughter of Miss Pash. People use it from talk about an action which took place before another action in the past. Example, when I went to the school, the prayer had started. When I was reading book, the doorbell rang. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite my fourth daughter past perfect continuous.
Good afternoon everyone. I am past perfect continuous tense. I am the fourth daughter of past tense. People used to me show that actions that started in past up until another in the past. Examples, I had been studying English all the day. They had been friends since childhood.
Now I would like to introduce my middle daughter Miss Present Tense.
I am middle daughter of Miss Queen. I am the present tense. Do you know I have the four daughters? First one present simple present, second one present continuous tense, third one present continuous present perfect tense, fourth one present perfect continuous tense. I would like to invite my first daughter simple present.
Good afternoon everyone. This is simple present tense. I am the first daughter of present tense. People use it to me describe to say universal truths and habitual actions. Example, sunrise in the east. I go to school every day. Thank you.
I would like to invite my second daughter present continuous tense.
I am present continuous. I am the second daughter of present tense. One action is started in the past but still going on. People use it to describe me. Example, I am writing exam. We are conducting a drama. Thank you.
I would like to invite my third daughter present perfect tense.
Good afternoon all. I am present perfect, the third daughter of present tense. It is describe about just completed actions. Example, I washed the car. It is still wet. I cut my finger. It is bleeding now.
I would like to invite my fourth daughter present perfect continuous tense.
Good afternoon everyone. I am present perfect continuous tense. I am fourth daughter of present tense. I also use it to talk about length of time and activities has been progress. Example, I have been studying since morning. I have been watching program for 2 hours.
Now I would like to introduce my younger one, Miss Future Tense.
I am the younger daughter of Miss Quintance. I have four daughters. First one simple future, second one future continuous, third one future perfect, fourth one future perfect continuous. I would like to invite my first daughter future simple future.
The first daughter of future tense. I am the simple future tense. People used to me talk about things haven't happened. Example: my father was will retire next year. We will see him.
I would like to invite my second daughter, future continuous tense.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. I am future continuous tense, second daughter of future tense. It indicates something will occur in future and continue for expecting length of a time. Example: I will singing in concept tomorrow. It will be raining in this time tomorrow.
I would like to invite my fourth daughter.
Tense of future tense. I express the action in the future before another action in the future. Example: she will have forgotten everything. I will have finished when you arrive. Thank you.
To invite my fourth daughter, future perfect continuous tense.
I am the future perfect continuous tense of the future tense. I describe the actions that will continue up until the future. Example: he will have been playing cricket for 10 years when he turned 20. I hope all of you understood the universe. Thanks to all of you for giving the such beautiful chance.